Welcome. Today we are learning about Kubernetes, the engine that runs modern software. You do not need to code to understand this video. We will cover what Kubernetes is, why we need it, and how it works. First, let us examine the problem. Running a popular app on one computer leads to four main issues. A. Single point of entry, scaling bottlenecks, instability if the computer crashes, and high risk when updating. We need a smarter way to manage apps. Kubernetes is software that manages your apps across many computers automatically. Think of it as an air traffic controller for your software. It automates starting and stopping apps, monitors them for failures, and scales power when needed. Kubernetes has three main components. The master node, the brain, issues commands. Worker nodes are the muscles, the computers that run the applications. Pods are the smallest deployable units, containing copies of your app. Containers hold your app and everything it needs. A pod is the smallest unit, holding one or two containers. A node is the worker machine that holds many pods. Kubernetes manages these layers to keep everything running smoothly. Kubernetes features self-healing. If an app crashes, Kubernetes sees it immediately, starts a new pod, and users never notice any downtime. This happens automatically, eliminating manual fixes. Auto-scaling is another valuable feature. On a normal day, a few pods run. During a product launch with high traffic, Kubernetes automatically scales up to many pods. When traffic drops, it scales back down, saving money. Companies use Kubernetes for reliability and efficiency. Key benefits include self-healing, auto-scaling, easy updates without downtime, the ability to work anywhere, cost savings, and enhanced security. In a real-world example like a streaming service, different functions like video, search, and payment run in their own pods across worker nodes. The master node ensures all these services are running and balanced automatically. In summary, Kubernetes is the manager, handling tasks like auto-scaling and monitoring. Key terms include container, pod, node, and cluster. Remember, Kubernetes automates. You set the rules. It does the work.